Hello everyone. Today we start with a new chapter, chapter 6, the trees and the animals. From this chapter we will get the value that is sharing. So what is the meaning of sharing? Sharing means allowing others to use our things or their things with their permission. Sharing gives us a lot of happiness. So we must develop this habit, then only we will get a lot of happiness. We can share many things like tiffin, toys, pencils, colors, etc. While some things are easy to share, some may not be. But we must develop this habit. We can even share work by helping parents at home. We can share space also. Next, we are going to read the lesson. Page number 32. You also read after me. Once there was a beautiful green forest. It was very big. In one small area of the forest, there were the mango tree, the fig tree, and a family of lion. They all shared the space. The mango tree liked the fig tree, but not the lion family. So, this story is happening in a forest, and it was a very big forest. And in one small area of that forest, there were two trees, a mango tree and a fig tree. Under that two trees, there lived a lion's family also. But the mango tree did not like the lion's family. It liked the fig tree, but it did not like the lion's family. The mango tree once said, "I don't like this family. They roar loudly and smell bad. I will drive them away." The fig tree said, "Don't do that, my friend. We must share this space and live together." So one day, the mango tree said to the fig tree that I don't like this lion's family because they are roaring all the time and they are smelling very bad also. So I will make them drive away, means I will make them run away from this place. At that time, the fig tree said that don't do like that. We must share the space and live together. The fig tree liked the lion's family, and fig tree said that we must not do these kinds of things. We must share the space with others also. The mango tree did not listen. It did not want to share the space. So, one night, the mango tree shook its branches and made a loud noise. The lion family got scared and ran away. Next morning, the mango tree was very happy. It did not have to share the space. This happiness was short lived. So what happened next day? The mango tree did not listen the words of the fig tree. It wanted to make them run away from that place, and one night what happened, the mango tree started to shake its branches and made a very loud noise also. So the lion family very scared by hearing this loud noise and shaking of the branches, and the family ran away from that place. So the next morning, the mango tree was very happy because the lion's family was ran away from that place, and they don't want to share the space with anyone. But this happiness was short lived. Means this happiness was not for a long time. It was only for a short time. Why it is for a short time? Because the two woodcutters came that place. That's why this happiness was not for a long time. Few days later, two woodcutters came to the forest. They saw those two trees. One of them said, "There are no wild animals here, so let's cut these trees." The fig tree said, "I told you we need each other. If we do not help each other, we can get into trouble." The woodcutters cut both the trees. So the mango tree was very happy because the lion's family was not there. The family ran away from that place, and but this happiness was for not for a long time. It was very short time happiness, because the next day what happened? Two woodcutters came the forest. Woodcutters means those who are cutting the trees. So two woodcutters came and they saw these two trees, a fig tree and a mango tree, and the trees were also very big trees also, and the woodcutters very happy, and they decided to cut both the trees. And the woodcutters said that there are no wild animals in this place, so we can cut the trees very easily without the disturbance of any wild animals. So at that time, the fig tree said that I told you we should share the space with others. Now we are in trouble. Nobody are here to help us. Now they understood. Now the mango tree understood that it is very important to share the space with others. We should develop the habit of sharing. Otherwise, nobody will be there to help us when we are in trouble. But they don't have any time. The woodcutters cut both the trees. So the moral of the story is sharing is for the good of everyone. So sharing means dividing something that may be toys, books, pencils, pens, etc. We need not only to share things but also to share work. When we share work, it gets finished in an easy manner. Similarly, the gifts of nature, such as plants, animals, water, air, etc., must also be shared. Those who do not share become alone. Thus, we must share, as sharing something makes it more fun. In the school, we know that we used to share our pencil or lunch with others. At that time, we feel a lot of happiness. But those who do not share, they will be alone. No friends, nobody was there to help them. So sharing makes us very happy, and we must develop this habit. So today's your homework is read this chapter 6, page number 32, 33 and 34, and try to find out the answers of the exercises, and we will discuss the answers in the next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.